everything. Ice King here, checking in. We got some pretty cool stuff from the Bokur Brawl check-in. Finally got some proper cards for the event. So now I don't forget. Some pretty sweet dice. Big fan. On my list. Tables are already kind of set up. I got my spoons to show people. And then we are ready. AJ stuff is here. He's got his RGZ juice right there. John's up there setting up. And we are ready to go. See you guys in a bit. Ice King here. We're here with AJ.
Hi, I'm AJ.
Little mask reveal here. We just finished round 1 at Bokur Brawl. How'd you do?
I won. So I played against Kador Winakora Lari. It essentially came down to he feeded and failed his run. And then I feeded and killed 4 out of his 6 heavy jacks, and he conceded.
Ooh.
And he conceded that one. He was only able to kill a summoned Desolator, so one that I kind of put out there for bait, and then one Tormentor on my side, and then a couple of other smaller guys.
Now, if he would have stayed playing, would you be able to kill the whole army?
Yeah, at that point he had 2 heavies, his caster, a unit of mechanics, but every jack I hit was destroyed, so the mechanics were worthless.
Because the Bokur bounty system, you might have gotten that. For those who don't know, the Bokur bounty, for the big bounty, which is what we're playing in it has a bounty system. If you do this thing, even if you lose, you still get a little prize. Like I got what did I get? I got lost a game because I suck.
Yeah, and I got won a game because I'm good.
Yeah, you are.
I'm good.
But I played against Crucible Guard with my Retribution, playing Izzy with the Jack Heavy list. It went okay. I just made I went too far forward right off the bat, and that was really it. I got caught. A lot. I know, I love it. I see red, and I'm like,
gotta go.
It was a little bit like there was a lot going on. It was a first setup, so I was kind of like, But yeah, round 1. It's been a good event so far.
Yeah,
a lot of people. We just had lunch. They gave us free sandwiches.
There's 65-ish people here.
It's a pretty good turnout.
Yeah, and then John's running his big SEIGE event, which
we'll have some pictures here, right there. Yeah, the second picture. There you go. Yeah. But yeah. So round 1, we'll see you guys after round 2.
Yep.
See ya.
Yeah.
Just finished up round 2. Had a little snack. Feeling a little hungry. Gotta fuel the muscles. But round 2 did not go too well for me. But I did get another bounty brawl. I ended up using the trident to push a clockatrice off the this rectangle objective, which got me a tier 3 thing, and I won a little Winter Argus light beast from Circle. I don't play Circle, but I like puppies, so that was the point. No AJ right now. He was feeling a little under the weather about halfway through his round 2 game. He went back to the hotel to rest up, so good wishes to him. Hope he's feeling better. We'll update you after round 2 on that. I will post right here all the leaks that they've been posting, the spoilers as some of the rewards. The Chimera look fantastic, and they're calling to me. And I hope I don't have to buy them. They look really good. I think they're going to be really cool painted. Don't know how I would paint them yet. Still a little theorizing that. But that was the biggest stuff for round 2. I played against Grimkin, as I said, the Clockatrice. I played a lot better overall, but I definitely learned a lot more. And that's the big thing I'm doing here, is trying to learn, trying to get my reps in, and just be a better player. So when I do play, the little that I do, I'm a little more comfortable in the seat. But all right, that's it. Hey everyone, Ice King here, back after round 3. Not outside today, or I was like I was last round. I'm inside, so sorry about the noise. It's raining outside. I'm kind of stuck recording inside. But finished round 3, lost again, played against Grimkin. Izzy actually ended up getting assassinated, so that was fun. He played King as the caster, kind of ran up, teleported, ghost walked the jack-o'-lantern dude on a horse, and there it was. I was just kind of like, oh, here's a guy behind the house that I didn't see. So it's kind of like, oh, I should have looked behind the house. I'll post that picture here. But now with me going 0-3, I can go for shark bait, which will be cool. Because you lose all your games, and I'm like, that's okay, because now I'm learning a lot, and that's kind of the big benefit. It's kind of going to be a meme too, like me never winning a game. It's kind of fitting. But after each game, I've been trying to do some of the bounties each round. That way I can still walk away with something, which I think is one of the coolest parts about Bokur, bro. Personally, because like I would never play Circle, but I got 2 doggos. And you felt this? There it is. I got these 2 doggies, and I'm going to paint them up real pretty. Maybe I'll paint them up in Bokur theme, who knows? Yeah, that's the end of round 3. AJ's still not back. I think he's sleeping right now. Hoping he's getting some rest so he can come back tomorrow and feel better, or just so he can at least just feel good. So, all right, I'll catch you guys after round 4. See ya. Hey everyone, Ice King here. A little late on the post round 4 summary. I did end up taking shark bait, as you saw in the post. And AJ is back.
Hey, I'm AJ. I'm back.
He's healed.
Well, no, but yeah.
He just needed some sleep. He needs some shut-eye, beauty sleep. But we're back here in the hotel room. We just got some Jersey Mike's. It was quite delicious. I'm getting
because the pizza place turned us away.
That's true. By the way, there's a place called Delucia's, right?
Mm-hmm.
We went in. They're like booked up for the day. We're like, what does that mean? So we asked, and they're like, oh yeah, you have to make reservations when we open. So we're like, all right, we're gonna try again tomorrow.
Yep.
Lady was super nice. She looked a little like fearful that we were gonna be like kind of rude to her. I'm like, nah, not your fault.
Probably gets that a lot.
I'm sure she does.
Yeah.
But right now, working on gonna finish some Orgoth. Got to finish him for the painting competition tomorrow. You've seen him before. We got some Reaver Commanders that we got as our prizes today. Got my Alexia, very excited. My little doggos, and we got the very dark, but this will do. The lineup of all the Orgoth. We got to put them on bases.
We also got some of the new Orgoth tokens, which are super cool.
So this is more of my winnings because
one of your losings.
My losings. These are my losings.
Yeah.
So the bounty system is great. So even if you're losing, you can do this thing and still get prizes. So I made sure to get some stuff. I knew I wasn't going to win. But these are dope. I definitely want to get these for Dusk when they come out. Comes with 10 focus, 3 swords, a feat, the mini feat.
Yeah, and just the rideable ones. So
yeah, they're awesome.
Yeah, they're really good.
It was definitely a good little. It wasn't there in the beginning. We were like, wait a second.
Yeah, it showed up midway through the tournament, so that's why I think it was still there when you got your shark bait prizes.
Yep.
So.
And the other one we got was a collector's edition thing.
The old Gale Force 9
Troll dice with the insert.
Yeah, one of them had the insert, one of them didn't.
I thought that was interesting.
Yeah. So we got.
This is before my time. I didn't even know this was a thing.
Yep.
But yeah, so my losings ended up getting that for AJ because he was like, there was nothing really I wanted or that I'd had time to paint.
Yeah.
So I was like, we'll get him something.
Yeah, because you were thinking about getting the bust.
Yeah.
But then you were like, I'm never gonna paint that.
Never gonna paint that ever. Because I was like, I'll do that, and I'm like, I have models I can practice on.
Yeah.
But we got all our stuff kind of thrown out. We got the cool dice. Big fan of that. We're gonna do some foam tray swaps, and then we got all his stuff over here, chilling, kind of spread out.
Yeah, we're about to drill a bunch of holes to attach them to the bases for the big siege tomorrow.
Yep, that's gonna be a good event. People did like the candy, who were very impressed with it.
Yeah.
It's been well received, which we were wondering what people are gonna be thinking. Are they gonna think it's too weird, or are they gonna think it's dope? So far, people think it's dope. So this is gonna conclude the Bokur Day 1 vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what I can finish and make better for the next vlog, which will be posted. You'll give me answers, and I will have already made 2 more.
Yeah.
So it'll be for the next event, the next like con or thing we do. So hope you guys have a good one. We'll see you next time.
Oh, bye.
Good morning. This is day 2 of Bokur Brawl here with AJ.
Hey, I'm AJ, and it's really loud in here.
It is. Sorry about the noise. Big event. Lots going on. We're setting up for the narrative event kind of early. We're getting our Orgoth ready. Freshly plucked this morning and glued onto all the bases. I don't know how well you can hear me. We'll find out. But we're getting ready, putting our Orgoth up. John's still resting. He's a little tired.
He's a sleepy boy.
He caught the sleepy boys that AJ had yesterday.
Yeah.
But yeah, hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and we're getting ready. And this is Bokur Brawl.
About 60 people, 64, 65, I think.
Yeah, a lot more people seem to have showed up for the team event already. So we're chilling. We're getting ready for our fun thing, and yeah, see you guys in a bit. Hey everyone, Ice King here. A couple of days after Bokur, I am editing today's video. This is
future Ice King, as in present Ice King from the one I'm recording. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. As I'm going through it, I'm like, man, that was a fun event. Lots of fun pictures. We didn't get much footage on the last day, mostly because we weren't playing that much, so we didn't get much footage there. And then we ended up helping Seth do some things, like take out the trash, get water filled, so we were kind of busy doing that. As you saw in the pictures just previously, we did the Siege, fantastic event. AJ absolutely rolled me. It was a funny, silly event. We both had terrible lists for it, and it worked out in a fun way. So, because the Orgoth took the wall, and that's not supposed to happen. The defenders are supposed to defend the wall, not get the wall taken, then shot in like fish in a barrel. It was very interesting. But hope you guys have a wonderful week. If I met you at the convention, it was great to meet you. And for those I haven't met yet, I hope I get to meet you one day. And I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your week. Bye-bye.